Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good Kabaddi. First, understand the core objective. A raider enters the opponent's half, touches a defender, and returns to their own half without being tackled. You must hold your breath and chant Kabaddi throughout the raid. This requires immense focus and stamina. The raid lasts for 30 seconds or until you cross the balk line and return. Mastering these fundamentals is crucial for success. Next, focus on specific raiding techniques. The toe touch, hand touch, and scorpion kick are effective ways to score points. Develop quick footwork and agility to evade defenders and avoid tackles. A strong breath hold, lasting at least 30 seconds, is vital for completing a successful raid. Practice these moves consistently to improve your raiding prowess and become a formidable opponent on the mat. Now, let's discuss defensive strategies. Defenders must form a strong chain, working together to block the raider's path. Key tackling techniques include the ankle hold, thigh hold, and block tackle. Timing and coordination are paramount for a successful tackle. Communicate effectively with your teammates to anticipate the raider's moves and execute precise defensive maneuvers, preventing them from scoring points. Finally, building physical and mental strength is essential. Engage in regular cardio and strength training to enhance your stamina and power. Develop sharp mental focus and quick decision-making skills, crucial for both raiding and defending. Practice teamwork and communication during drills to foster strong on-field chemistry. A well-rounded approach, combining fitness, strategy, and collaboration, will elevate your Kabaddi game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.